Hello everyone. Today we will solve two string problem of HackerRank. So let me share my screen. So this is the two string problem of HackerRank. It is an easy question. And what we have to do, we have given a two string and we have to determine if they share a common substring. Means this string is first one the string. S1 is and S2 is art. So substring can be the whole string or substring can be the individual character also. So we can see that in S1 A is and S2 A they both are common. So here we can return yes, there is a common substring A. So we can return yes over here. Yes, we can return. But we can see in this, for example, no substring is equal. So this is the question, and let's solve it. So first, I will go by brute force approach. What will be the brute force approach? That we will create the substring of S1 and we will check whether that substring is there in the S2 or not. And again, if it is there in the S2, we will return yes. And again, in the next loop, we will check that all the substrings of the S2, whether it is there in the S1 or not. So let's implement this approach. For int I equal to 0, I less than S1 dot length. Okay. And I plus plus. So this is the outer loop. And but because we have to create a substring of S1, so we'll run another loop that will be int j equal to I plus 1 and j less than equal to s1 dot. Yes, it will go till s1 j less than equal to s1 dot length, one ahead of I. So that's it can take an individual character, right? So j plus plus and then we will create a substring of s1 that string sub is equal to s1 dot substring s1 dot yes, this one s1 dot substring, and the beginning character will be I and the ending index will be j, sorry, j. And here the substring is created and we will check that if s2 string uh, contains this substring or not. If it contains substring, then we will return yes. Okay, so this we have checked for s1. Now we have to do same for s2, right? So we'll run a loop and we'll make this s2 dot length and j is equal to I j less than s2 dot length, and we will make a substring of s2 and then we'll check in s1, then whether it contains. If it contains, then we'll return yes. If both the loops doesn't work, then we will return no. So let's see this works or not. We might get TLE over here. Oops, we have string. Okay, string. Okay, let's run this. Okay, in some of the test cases, we might get TLE because, yeah, it is in square, right? So we have to give an optimized approach. The optimized approach we can give uh, by using two data structures. One is array, and the another one is coming into my mind is has set. We can use set. So let implements uh, the array one first. We will create a Boolean array. Uh, we can create a Boolean array, and in Boolean array, mm, uh, we'll put a size as 26 because there are 26 characters, and then we'll run a loop I equal to 0, I less than s1 dot length, right? I plus plus. We'll run a loop, and in this loop, what we'll do, we will put at that character true. We'll mark every substring of s1 in the array as a true, and then we will run a loop again in s2 whether that a particular position or whether that particular character is true. If it is true, we will return yes, or else we will return no. I'm saying that for S1, what we'll do, we will make whichever the character, suppose this character is there, this character is there. So we will make this column as a true. And then we will again traverse in S2. And while traversing in S2, we will check whether this column is true or not. If it is true, we will return yes. There is a matching substrings. Means this means that. So this was what I was meaning. So how we can write this? We can write this in place of an index array of s1 dot caret of I minus a. It will give an ASCII value, and at that we will write true. And then we will again run a loop I equal to 0, I less than s2 dot length, right? And is s2 dot length if array of s2 dot caret I, right? S2 dot caret I, if it is true, right? If it is true, we will return yes, or else we are returning. Let's submit this code. Okay, okay. Runtime error. Something is coming. 1 second. We are running a loop s1 and we are putting s1 dot caret I minus true, right? Then we are running a loop in s2 and we are checking that we have s2 array of s2 dot caret I minus a. Okay, minus a if it is. Yes, so it is compiled successfully. So this is was my second approach, and the third approach is using hash set. So now implement that also. I'm going to implement that also. What is that approach? That we are first putting all the substring of S1 into the set, and then while traversing in the S2, we will check if that particular substring is there in the hash set or not. So by this approach, you can make the use of set data structure, set of character, set of character, this set of character, set is equal to new hash set, right? We have, and then we are running a loop I equal to 0, I less than s1 dot uh, length I plus plus, and then what we'll do, we will take a substring first. So what we'll do, we'll take out the substring, right? So we'll put that substring into the set. So what we'll do, um, we'll do like this, that um, set dot add set dot add s1 dot length, sorry, s1 dot caret I. Okay, s1 dot caret I. We'll add it into the set. And while traversing into the uh, s2 dot length, what we'll do, if set dot contains um, s2 dot caret I, if it contains, we'll return yes. We'll return yes. Let's check this. Yes, all the test cases here are passing. Yes, all the test cases have been passed. So this was using hash set. You can see. Thank you everyone.